Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm going to be playing some Fortnite and testing out the new heavy shotgun, and I'm pretty sure the grotto's back, but it's not called the grotto anymore. So please leave a like, subscribe and comment on this video. Also make sure you hit that notification bell, and when I hit 50 subs I will be giving away a skin. So yep. Alright, so we're going to go to the grotto and try and get some like mythic SMG, you know. So we'll land in the front, I think, Austin.
Okay.
And I think if you use a zipline, it's quicker, right?
Wait, can I land here?
Where?
Yeah.
Well, you're not gonna.
Well, nah, I won't land here.
You can't get into the grotto that way. That's the problem.
No, you can. You can go down into.
You take the. Yeah. Okay. Well. I think I have a dead
that
teammate.
popped up as a gun, but.
Oh! Alley aim. Okay. It's all good. Did you kill him?
Yeah.
How?
I picked up an SMG.
Here. Just looking above us. Right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm just gonna pick up this big
Oh,
pot.
dude, my God. Ready. Yo. Okay, so I think we should do. What do you want to do, Austin? Do you want to go straight for the thing, or do you want to wait it out till people are low and take it off them?
Well, let's just quickly grab some better loot. Bro, there's a kid on my right, but he's not next to me in that time. Okay, I've got a green. Oh, that's a lot of slug barrels.
Oh, let's go. Striker pump, blue.
Yeah, someone on my left.
Okay, I'll kill him. We'll try. Oh, it's one of the bots. Just.
Oh, I'm gonna I'm stuck.
How are you stuck?
I got stuck in the tent.
You know, most of them are like bots. If you see. Oh, that's a nice shield cake there. I might pick it up. I want to give up our height though.
Someone's here.
A real person?
Yeah. 20. 21 again.
Are you okay?
Yeah, he's just up below us. This.
Bro. Where are you going?
They're all here. Knocked him.
Nice. What? No! Oh, I
victory.
thought he had the mythic. I'll take the victory
His
crown.
teammates there.
So his teammate's somewhere around here too. Let me get his teammate here. I think I know where his teammate has gone.
Yeah, he went. I'm gonna shut out like.
Oh, bad aim. My phone's ringing. Not a good time. Bruh.
Do you want me to get him?
No.
I'm getting.
Who the hell just called me? Alright, hold up.
I'll go get. Oh.
Another kid?
Yeah.
Real?
Yes.
Okay. So oh my God. Whoever's ringing my phone is annoying.
Right there. It's Isaac.
Cool.
It's Isaac.
Bruh, he's gonna keep trying. Okay, I'll be a sec. Sorry about those difficulties. I think they're over, hopefully. I was a bit unlucky, just not best timing. But it's fine now, because we're all good. Everything's sorted out, we can just game. Let's go. Okay. Big pot for you, Austin, if you need it. Oh wait, no, I need it. Am I
Yeah.
so dumbass? I need the big pot, why am I not drinking it? Alright, let's take this car and let's this thing moves, you know. Well, it's a car, so. But like, okay, I think I see kids. I think we should push them because they're not. No. You're gonna fall out the car. I'm just about to go down.
Well, it made me go on the top.
Do you wanna? You ready for this? You ready for this? You ready for
I'm
this?
just trying to see where
You
they
ain't
are.
even ready for this, bro.
Oh, they're bots. The bots.
Where? They're not bots.
Yeah, they
I
are.
can tell by the way you're swimming. Oh wait, no, yeah, you might just be.
Yeah, because the way they're fighting.
Okay. Okay. I'm missing a bot. That's showing a lot about my skills.
I've got this kid.
Oh.
Got him.
I missed him when he was down.
I've got this kid over here. Oh, headshot!
Austin's popping off. Wait, can I see what he has? Just quickly, because I need ammo for my sniper.
I'm taking the shotgun.
Snipe. Yeah, heavy shotgun.
Purple shotgun. But like that headshot was clean.
Yo, I should have tried to headshot him with my heavy. Oh, do you have any? How much sniper ammo?
I've only got 10.
Alright. I only have 3. That's fine. We don't have enough to share. Yeah. Well, Austin, just why are you giving me that, bro? Don't need to.
You need it.
Right. Oh no! Oh my god, this kid's beaming me.
Okay, okay, his teammate just did a dog move on me. I'm not happy about it.
What?
Yeah, I've got his teammate, don't worry. No, I don't. I just ran out of mats.
I got plenty, don't worry.
Yeah, his teammate's coming to me. Cracked him, got him.
Nice. Oof. Oh, wait.
He had a legendary shotgun, so I took it.
Oh, sick. Oh, let's go. Was that spare?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright. I think we're good to roll. Oh, Storm is moving. Okay, put the launch pad down. Oh no, actually, we should catch this tornado.
Yeah, I kind of need to use my medkit, but the storm's right there, and I
Oh,
won't make it.
okay. I got you. And then we'll just glide into the tornado.
That was scary. It literally would not let me.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Alright, we got more kids shoot. Okay. He's
Yeah,
dead.
'cause
I see somebody.
My sniper kept shooting the floor.
I see somebody. He's foundation.
Yeah, you've got him. I'll quickly grab this loot.
No. Come help though.
Yeah, I'm just grabbing this loot. Okay, I'm
Because
coming
there's 2
now.
of them.
Where? Oh, now I see him.
Did they got you? They? Okay.
Nah, it's all
Well,
good. This guy
I'm
had
marked.
minis. This guy had minis. It's all good. I'll keep his minis.
Spam. This kid's pog, bro. He just spams.
Oh my god.
Oh, you get that haircut. Oh, I love your new haircut, sir.
Okay, I'm heading over to you.
Are there seriously more kids?
I think. There are mushrooms here. You can.
Yeah, you can eat them.
I'm just gonna eat as many as I can.
Okay, let's hit
So I
this
can-
launch pad. Unless it's gone. No. I think that's the gliding people.
Did they leave?
Yeah, I think they just dipped. Because I almost hit this kid like 3 times, he got a bit scared. Let's go chase him down then.
Yeah, they dipped.
And they dipped again, by the looks of it.
No, I see them.
Where?
There.
Okay, shh.
Holy
Just gotta wait for the perfect moment. Oh, BZs, I think.
Wait, come to me. I've got a big pot.
Come in this bush.
There.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh, cracked him, push.
Oh, the other one's
Push.
on 1 HP. The
Push.
other one's on 1
Push.
HP. The other one's
Push.
on 1. Okay, we got this.
Yo, that was so much I just cracked.
Okay, I knocked one with my fireflies.
Okay. I'm heading in.
Okay, eliminated.
Oh, you got them all?
No, I eliminated one.
Oh, thing jumped. He dipped. Oh, more kids.
Oh, it's all good, no panic. Got one.
I got this kid. Got him.
Nice.
Bro, we are
Look,
pop.
let me take some of the ammo.
Bro, we are
What?
Legendary MK.
I might take the Spider-Man.
Look at all my loot. Look at my loot.
Nice,
Jasper, look at my loot.
Okay, I don't know what to do from here because it's a 2v1 and we're probably just gonna clap them. Honestly, just go out and pull out. It's that little foundation kid who had, I think. Oh, I can hear him.
99, but not for his shield. I shot his car.
Okay, just hit his car as much as you can, and he's
I'm
not
shooting
able
in
to
now.
go anywhere.
20, oh, cracked his shield.
Nice. Hold up. Let me get the trick shot. Austin. Let me get the heavy shot. Wait, let me get the trick shot. Where is he?
He's healing. We
That's
can't.
fine. It's fine. Don't worry. Bro, you just. Oh, it's so annoying when they do this. Oh! He's cracking me.
73. He's got no shield yet.
Let's go.
Yes.
Did you get the kill or did I?
No, you did. We got 13 kills.
Let's go.
Head back to lobby.
Alright. Thank you
Already
for
up.
watching. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.